Okay, I think I'm live. February 24th. On the side, I have weekly volume profile here. Value area high and value area low. I tried the 20. My normal setup was here. If I go to 15-second chart, yeah, I have this. My setup is impulse, and then I have this, and then I have this, and then I have this. Then I draw this like I draw here. Excuse me. So then when it breaks the line and I entering and my stop is here, and I'll take 3 to 1. All right, but it stopped me out, you see. Yeah, entered here. I was messing around here as well a little bit, so that was different. I was messing around here, but that was different setup. Here it was my go-to setup, normal setup, like high value setup, yeah, if I can call it like this. And it, as soon as I entered, it just stopped me out. I'm doing 2 micros, and I have 2 accounts copied, yeah. For each account 2 micros, and I am today minus $100, yeah. $100, something like half an hour before New York Open. So you see here absorption. You see here absorption, massive absorption here. They don't want to go higher because of, I suspect, Iranian and United States war can start any minute. Okay, you don't want to be long today, no tomorrow. Any minute can wars begin, yeah? And you don't know how it's gonna end. If it is quick, it's gonna be good for markets. Markets will rally up. If it is going to start like years of war, it will obviously, yeah, I don't think it will be years. It's just gonna be market distraction, yeah. It can do damage, yeah. So I'm expecting only this today, as I expected yesterday. If you look at 1 minute chart, excuse me, this is yesterday's action, yeah. I done some trading here. No, where did I do? Yes, I think I done it. I done some trading here. Yeah, here. It was profitable session yesterday, but I lost $100 today. In London session, I had 1 trade and 2 trades, losing trades today I have so far. So I got $100 minus a little bit drawdown from 50,000, 500,000 drawdown. So yeah, I'll be using micros until I get out of drawdown. like low micros, like 2, 3, maybe 4 micros, no more. So yeah, yesterday I said at the beginning that we don't expect a lot of upside because of the war looming over us, and yeah, and it went down. I stopped the recording somewhere here, 3:30, somewhere here. I stopped recording, and then it started to. I wasn't there. I wasn't participating in this move, so. Yeah, half an hour left. We'll see how it goes. So I don't really fancy to do any entries before market, but yeah, it's already too deep. This one is too deep, so it will come from here, it will go here. That's what I expect. Participate in this move, yeah. So we got massive absorption here, so I'm gonna mark this, yeah. I'm going to mark this massive absorption here. Let me put some red color on it, okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah, my bread and butter setup is this. I want impulse, I want correction, and then I want something here. Small impulse, small correction, breaks this line. I entering here, my stop is here, and I want 3 to 1, okay? Like it was here, for example. This here, I don't like because this was in 2 waves, yeah. I want it like this. Impulse, like 5 waves, impulsive way. This was, I was hesitant. And I draw I have to be by the screen all the time. I wasn't here. I draw this. You have to draw this, then next one. Yeah, from here to here. This, if this is impulse, then you need to count this one as correction, and as soon as it makes this small correction, yeah, it's like small fractal. This is the impulse and correction, and this is smaller impulse and correction, fractal one, yeah. This is parent one correction, and this is child, yeah. And once it goes out, it's supposed to be entering here and take 3 to 1, okay? But I wasn't there, I wasn't by the screen, I was walking around house, so doing stuff. I was kind of looking at it, but then I didn't like this, and then I my attention went somewhere else, but it did move. Yeah. Basically, you look for free waves. You look impulse and then you look for free waves. These free waves can come in different forms like this, or like flat. It can come like triangle and then it goes out like this. So when it does flat, yeah, you need to wait for this, yeah, boom boom, and then out. Same here, you need to wait for this, out. And here you have to wait for this and then out. Okay, this is my everyday setup. Again, so now you see this one, I don't call this correction anymore, but this is something weird is doing. Yeah, so now it's doing this. You have free waves here, then you have this which broke this major low, and then it goes up again to meet these highs. Very weird. It should be coming down from here, but it didn't. So let's do scenario. If it done this and broke this low here, it's going to do this, this and this again. So let me see the context. Context is coming from below. Okay, gotcha. Okay, it's coming from below, doing this, then it done these free waves, then it broke down again, this one, and then it's going down independent wave, and it can do another free waves here. Okay, and it can break these lows again. It will break these lows again. Okay, it's coming down to this weekly volume area low, and we need to be here. Take this trade today. Alright, it can come down now, but then we have to wait for this correction, the flag or whatever you call it, and then after this we're gonna go. This is gonna be New York session already. Yeah? So it's about 20 minutes until New York session starts. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing.
Put on Seek and Destroy. Another thing too.
I'm not live again. What's happening? am live, isn't I? Yeah, I am live. Why I can't see it on my phone? I have my Lucy too. Ah, I know why. I need to set it up as public. Where can I set it up as public? Stream. Okay.